Good morning. So it's 5:45 now. You're supposed to start around 4:30. But होता है, कोई बात नहीं. Very excited to see a final look. So this was Vrinda's wedding. It's a Malayali wedding. Very interesting because the wedding is not very long. There's not so many rituals happens in the wedding. So हम एक दिन पहले ही चले गए थे and we stayed back at the venue. तब bride नहीं आई थी. Bride was supposed to come in the morning 4. And if you want to be ready by 4 to do the makeup, you have to wake up 1 hour early and do your thing.
I can't believe it's 5:45 though.
Yeah, the time actually passes very soon in the morning. Yeah, it just flies like phew. And it was really nice. The venue was so beautiful.
Imagine if the next shot is me, but exactly how it was in the previous shot with no progress.
जब भी उदयपुर की weddings आती है, I'll be booked already for the Bangalore weddings. ऐसा 3 बार हुआ है.
Really?
हाँ. And I love Udaipur.
And you've always kept like...
I'll be busy. So there was I think the bride was into Air Force. She was getting married in Udaipur. And I was, unfortunately for her, so I was not available yet. But yeah. But koi baat nahi. Bangalore weddings are convenient.
Yeah.
Because the travel time is less cut short. Yeah, very fun. Makeup went really smooth because my bride was very sweet and she was a very cool kind of a bride.
But I feel like with these things, at least with artists, it's such a case of luck, I suppose. You know, with like the events that come to you, I feel like sometimes you get booked for a small one and then suddenly a large one comes.
That's okay. I actually don't think that way. Whoever comes first, that's how we work. Like just be ethical with the business.
Sure.
Yeah. Her dad was really cool guy. बहुत मजा आया उनके साथ काम करने में. So मुझे लगा कि he is into army, navy, किसी में तो definitely होंगे, but he was a businessman. So sir, कैसा लगा आपको makeup?
बहुत बढ़िया लगा. It's very nice, wonderful, and totally a change person.
You're looking handsome.
Thank you so much.
Everything over.
Yeah, I don't think there's anything else.
Yeah. Just look at it.
Just to keep you calm and composed. Yeah. Shall we go out and take some pictures? Come.
Yeah. Good job. You're coming with Bonda?
Yes,
Oh, yeah.
But can you eat it?
I mean, no, maybe I shouldn't.
Your brother put it this way. I put it the other way.
No, this is the better.
Is it better?
Yeah.
Okay.
यहाँ भी अच्छा लगा. Just stand here. Just stand here. Just here. Okay. A little bit further. I think there's shadow falling on your face. Yeah, right there.
It looks
Yeah, it's looking absolutely fantastic.
Thank you.
Oh, they all come.
Yes. I'm fixing the
Sounds like I'm talking about food. But it's nice. All in all.
You're looking very, very pretty. Very nice. Okay.
Smile like you just had a vada.
I did.
फिर मुहूर्त मेकअप के बाद हम ब्रेकफास्ट करने के लिए गए, बट ब्रेकफास्ट हो गया था खत्म. और ये मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम होता है. एंड समहाउ हमारे लिए 3 प्लेट रख दिए थे एंड वी हैड इन द बनाना लीफ. इन साउथ इंडिया आपको बनाना लीफ में खाना होता है. पर जब मैं बैठी थी तो मैंने मिस कर दी ब्राइड की एंट्री. तो मैंने दूर से अपने कैमरे से जूम कर गए, एबल टू टेक सम एंट्री वीडियो एंड दैट हैज कम रियली क्यूट.
മഹാവിഷ്ണു ആൻഡ് ലക്ഷ്മി അവരുടെ ജീവിതത്തിൽ എല്ലാവിധ ഐശ്വര്യങ്ങളും ഉണ്ടാവട്ടെ എന്ന് ദൈവത്തിനോട് പ്രാർത്ഥിച്ച് മഹാവിഷ്ണുവിനെയും ലക്ഷ്മി അവർക്ക് എന്നും സകല സൗഭാഗ്യങ്ങൾ ഉണ്ടാവട്ടെ, മക്കൾ ഉണ്ടാവട്ടെ എന്ന് പ്രാർത്ഥിച്ച് അവർക്ക് വേണ്ടി ചെയ്യുന്ന സെക്കൻഡ് റൗണ്ട്. Now the third round which signifies for Lord Shiva and Parvati. ആയുരാരോഗ്യ സൗഖ്യം, അതായത് അവർക്ക് ദീർഘസ്മൃതിത്തോടുകൂടി വർഷങ്ങളോളം ജീവിച്ച് സന്തോഷത്തോടെയും സൗഭാഗ്യത്തോടെയും ഒരു അസുഖങ്ങളില്ലാതെയും എന്നും ആത്മത്തോടെയും മനസ്സിൽ ദൈവങ്ങളെ സങ്കല്പിച്ച് ചെയ്യുന്നതാണ് മൂന്നാമത്തെ റൗണ്ട്.
सो ब्रेकफास्ट करते ही हमारी पलकें हो गई भारी. वी टुक अ नैप फॉर 45 मिनट्स और फिर हम वापस अपने फॉर्म में थे. सो वी हैव डन विद द ट्रेडिशनल इवेंट and I must say this place is really beautiful. This is called as Mukta and Jai Mahal Palace and this is like a nice dense forest के अंदर शादी हो रही है केरला स्टाइल में. और food was so amazing, so many varieties. I'll show you that also कि मैंने क्या क्या खाया. और अभी हम जा रहे हैं कॉकटेल इवेंट के मेकअप के लिए. We are heading towards Hotel Hyatt and I'm excited for it. So फिर हम पहुँचे होटल हयात. It's a nice hotel. जब हम पहुँचे तो bride was really tired and she asked to extend her sleep. So I let her do that क्योंकि ज़रूरी है sleep. अगर वो ढंग से नहीं सोएगी तो फिर चेहरे पे भी दिखेगा, टायर्डनेस दिखेगी, आईज रेड दिखेंगे, वो अच्छा नहीं लगेगा. सो ऑलवेज आई मेक श्योर ब्राइड इज रेस्टेड वेल. बट नहीं होता है कभी कभी बिकॉज अर्ली मॉर्निंग स्पेशली साउथ इंडियन वेडिंग्स ब्राइड आर ऑलवेज टायर्ड फॉर द इवनिंग फंक्शन.
So come here. Why are you not hanging out here then? Okay, I'll see you.
We started the reception makeup and when I asked her that what is she wearing, she said she's wearing Tarun Talyani. I was like, wow, I just love Tarun Talyani dress. The dress was so nice. She was wearing a nice jumpsuit. It's like a golden shimmery jumpsuit on a little bit of nice embroidery on the top. Looking so gorgeous.
Thank you, Regis.
Any final words which are coming in your mind?
I think I'm just grateful. It's been like amazing working with you, and yeah, I think it was seamless and it was very easy, and you always suggested the best things, and so thank you.
Thank you so much.
And I felt she looked like Janhvi Kapoor.
But all lucky है ना थोड़ी सी guys. Right?
So finally सब कुछ हो गया. Bride was all ready in time. That we always make sure, even we start late, we'll make sure bride is ready. Bride said that she's so blessed to find us. So I was so happy because that is what that every makeup artist want to hear. And you're done for the day. So if you like this video, please like and subscribe and also support us because we are new on YouTube and we'll be making more videos like this with a lot of wedding experience, and we'll see you in the next wedding.